What's up YouTube, it's Sean here, back today to give you guys a review of the New Balance 2002R in this navy and cream colorway. Today's video is brought to you by the good people from Heffelux. Heffelux is my all-time favorite sneaker insoles, and they sell eTPU insoles, which essentially is the same material you'll find in Adidas Boost. So if you're looking to add some additional comfort inside your shoes, be sure to check out their website, which I've linked down below in the description box. You'll see they sell a variety of different insoles, so depending on the type of insole density and the cushioning setup you're looking for, you're going to find there's a suitable insole for everyone. So I've been a paying customer of Heffelux for years now, and to me, I personally find them to be extremely comfortable. So if you guys want to check them out and try a pair for yourself, be sure to use the code SEANGO at checkout and get 15% off your entire purchase. So this is my latest New Balance 2002R pickup, and this is a general release which has been trickling into shops throughout the past few months. The style code for this shoe is M2002RG, and the official colorway is Night Tide and Team Cream. And this pair retailed for a price of $140 US or $170 here in Canada. So by now you guys probably know all about this 2002R silhouette, so there's not too much I need to get into behind the history and the story behind this shoe. As for the details themselves, so diving into the details, the base layer of the shoe on the toe box, this is constructed out of a cream colored mesh. We have this grayish blue reflective panel right above this with the New Balance N logo embroidered in dark blue, and we have another reflective panel in darker blue on the medial edge. Overlaid on either side, we have this dark blue colored nubuck, and then surrounding the front toe cap, we have a dark navy blue colored suede. This same navy blue suede covers the mid panel of the shoe, and then the top two eyelets are constructed out of a dark blue colored TPU. And then stitched on top of this, we have the New Balance N logo. This is done in this dark blue reflective hit, and it's outlined with this cream colored stitching. Moving downwards, we have more of that same cream colored mesh that we saw earlier on the toe box. Beneath this, we have a grayish blue colored nubuck with 2002R branding found on the lateral side, and then that dark blue suede returns once again, and it wraps around the back of the shoe as well. Surrounding the very bottom of the shoe, we have this brown colored suede with this perforated finish to it, and then on the heel right above this, we have this chenille hit with the New Balance logo embroidered in cream, and then the top of the heel is covered in that grayish blue colored nubuck. As for the laces, so these only come with one lace option, and they're just your standard flat style cotton lace in cream. Underneath this, the tongue is primarily constructed out of a dark gray colored mesh. We have an overlay of dark gray colored suede, and then the top of the tongue is constructed out of a bluish gray colored suede. We have this oval shaped cutout in the middle, revealing the chenille hit once again with the New Balance logo embroidered in the center. The back of the tongue and the interior of the shoe, this is lined in this dark gray colored textile. And then as for the insoles, these come with their standard foam line insole, and we have New Balance running branding stamped on the heel. So the upper of the shoe sits atop this cream colored midsole, which is comprised of both Absorb and Absorb SPS technologies. In addition to this, they also incorporate New Balance's energy technology, and this is visible on the lateral side of the heel, where this entire portion is painted in a dark blue color. And this is where you'll see these gel-like pillars on the heel, which helps with impact protection and shock absorption. Moving on, turning the shoe over to the bottom, so this is your classic 2002R outsole. So this is entirely constructed out of a cream colored rubber. We have these grooves on the forefoot to give you added flexibility, and then in the middle we have New Balance's stability web technology. This is basically a TPU plate which helps with torsional rigidity and midfoot support. So that breaks down the look and the construction of these navy cream 2002Rs. And for those wondering about sizing, to me these fit like most of my other 2002Rs, so I would recommend sticking true to size. So I'm a true size 10, slightly on the wider side. I got these in a size 10 and they fit me perfectly. Just to give you guys a point of comparison, I oftentimes go a half size down in my other New Balance shoes, so a 9.5 in models like the 992, the 990 V3, V4, V5, most of my 550s, and the 998. And in comparison, I usually stick true to size or a size 10 in most of my 2002Rs, the 997 and the 990 V2 because of its more narrow toe box, along with a lot of made in UK models like the 991, the 1500, and the 1530. Moving on to the comfort, so I've said this before in all my 2002R reviews, but this shoe in my opinion is extremely comfortable. This is in fact one of my favorite New Balance models when it comes to comfort, and I really love how balanced the shoe feels. You can feel the step in comfort straight out of the box, but at the same time it's not overly soft and overly mushy. They're not going to go overboard with the cushioning, so you still have that stability and support underfoot, and it's a shoe I personally can wear for many hours in a day without feeling pain or fatigue in the arches of my feet. Last but not least, in terms of the overall quality and the craftsmanship, so this is a made in Vietnam New Balance. However, A lot of the made in Asia New Balances in the past couple years have been really good quality, and I think this one is no exception. While the material quality isn't nearly as good as the made in USA or UK line, I think it's definitely no slouch. The suedes feel like a genuine suede, and it feels pretty good to the touch, and same goes for the nubuck overlays as well. And in terms of the overall build and craftsmanship, I honestly couldn't see any flaws at all with this pair. I thought it was perfectly well put together, so zero complaints from that end. With all that said and done now, let me lace these up and I'll show you guys how these look. There's so many 2002R colorways on the market now, I honestly have to be a bit more choosy with what pairs I actually keep in the collection. This pair, I gotta say, is very unique looking. It's pretty different than most of the other 2002Rs that you see on the market these days, and I like the visual contrast of the creams with the navy. However, is this one of my favorite colorways right now on the market? I'd say probably not. I still think this is a very beautiful looking colorway and one that looks great on feet. So if this is a colorway that you guys are feeling, good thing is they're sitting on most sites online. So if you guys are looking to grab a pair, then you shouldn't have to jump through too many hoops to grab one for retail. So let me know in the comment section down below what you guys think about this navy and cream New Balance 2002R. What are your overall thoughts on this specific colorway? Is this one you're feeling, or is it really not your thing? And what are your overall thoughts on the 2002R silhouette? How do you feel about it from a aesthetics and a comfort standpoint? And is the 2002R model one that you rock with, or is it again something you're not really feeling? If you guys like this video, be sure to like, comment, and subscribe to my channel if you haven't yet. You can follow me on my Instagram page at esco8, follow me on Twitter at sean.go, and visit my website as well at seango.ca. So until next time, thank you so much for watching. Hopefully you guys enjoyed this video, and hopefully it helped you in some way, and I'll catch you guys all in my next review.